Help me welcome Njabulo Zulu.
I would like to thank God for making this day possible. And as we all know, this event is about mother and daughter. And the aim is to strengthen the bond between a mom and a daughter. So, as we all know that each and every child deserves a mother's love. Each and every child needs to be comforted by their mother. And if they've made a mistake, their mother should be able to correct them in a way that they will be able to understand. And I have an issue with certain mothers. Those mothers who are busy calling their children names, who are busy calling names, telling them that they are worthless, they are worth nothing in this world. And those mothers who are bullying their kids, telling them that they're not beautiful, they ugly. Imagine your child is going to school. A bully is telling her those very same words. Immediately, she's remembering all those words that you've said to her. And she believes that. She ends up going with the wrong group. She ends up doing wrong things. And maybe she might have suicidal thoughts. And you ask yourself as a mother, what is happening to my child? What happened to her? You not knowing that you instilled self-hate in her. You are breaking down her self-confidence. You are making her hate herself. Imagine that, and you call yourself a mother. And stop comparing your child to another kid. Every child is born different. Every child is born with a certain gift. Each and every child is unique. So stop comparing your child and love her for the way she is. And remember, everyone is different in this world. So accept your child the way she is. Love her, honor her, and make sure that you are there in her life. And even if you die, she can be able to remember you for all those good things that you have done in her life. And mothers, remember, we children, we like it when you tell us those magic words. Please, thank you, and sorry. So that if your child, she can also say those magic words. If she's asking for something, she can say, Mommy, can I have? Mommy, thank you. And when she's done a mistake, she can say, Mom, I'm sorry. And don't destroy, don't break her, but be her pillar of strength. When she is in weakness, be there for her and strengthen her. And also, you children, it is your Christian duty to obey your parents. So respect your parents, not only your parents, but everybody who is an elder out there. It may be your school teachers, your school principal, or even your neighbor. Even that little someone you're older with, respect them, because also you want to be respected. So if you want to be respected, then respect. Remember, love your mom. Because in 1 Corinthians 13 verse 4 it says, love is true, love is patient, and love is kind. Love does not envy, and love is never impatient. So love never fails. So love your mom, and she will also love you. Honor her, and she will also honor you. Respect your mom, and she will always respect you. And also accept those little things that she's buying for you. If you're saying, Mom, can I have this? And she's like, my daughter, I don't have money to buy you this. Accept that, because your mom is going through trials and tribulations. Your mom is sacrificing herself just to raise you so that you can become a better person when you grow up, so that you can change her situation that she is in right now. And when a mom and a child are united, when a mom and a child are together, nothing can come in between them. When a mom and a child are united, they can face anything. They can face anything. And also remember that when a child and a mom are together, they learn how to love each other. In Psalms 133 verse 1, it says, how good and pleasant it is when the people of God are living in unity. So when everybody is united, they can be able to teach each other. When a mom and a daughter are united, they can learn how to love each other and also respect each other. Because when they are together, they know that nothing can come in between them. When they are together, they can face the world and face those challenges that they're going through in life. And remember, always love your mom, always love your daughter. Respect each other and accept each other for who you are. And when you remember Njabulo Zulu, always remember these words. When we are together, nothing can come in between us. We can conquer and we can face anything. Thank you.